Hey there medical fans, today's video is about an extremely bizarre condition called Pupula Duplex, which is characterized by having two irises or pupils in the same eyeball. Take a look. Pupula duplex is Latin for double pupil. This condition is so rare that some people believe it's just a myth. Its existence is thought to be based off the story of Lu Cheng, a Chinese minister of state in the year 995 AD. This is from Ripley's Believe It or Not. He supposedly had the condition, but it may have lost something in translation, and since there were no cameras back then, we can't really know for sure. There are claims of people having this condition in modern times, but no photographic evidence. There is evidence, however, for some unusual eye conditions, such as HETEROCHROMIA IRIDIUM, which causes separate coloration of the irises. And here we have coloboma, which is a birth defect that causes a hole in the iris. Most people who suffer from this are also blind. So it is possible, although apparently extremely rare, with only a handful of cases across recorded history. What do you think? Is Pupula Duplex real? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have new content all the time. And we'll see you next time. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have like no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.